Greetings, citizens of the digital world. It is I, the Serial Killer, coming to you today on day 253 of the year of vlogging dangerously. And today we have Jupiter to thank for saving us. Because it seems that last night, or yesterday sometime, that, well, I guess it'd be 7 hours back for us. It's middle of the night Britain time, so early evening yesterday. Britain time. Yeah, Britain time. Woo, that's the way to put it. Early evening yesterday, our time, there was an amateur photographer that was filming, or an amateur astronomer that was filming the Jupiter, and there was a large flash that he recorded. And this flash, of course, would take some time, but not entirely too much time to travel to Earth, because, you know, there is a great distance there, but it's light, so it's not, you know, ridiculous amounts of time. Anyway, this flash is indicative of an asteroid impact. There's some further evidence that's going to be needed. If there was a darkening spot discovered in the next few days, then that is definitely a sign that there was an impact. Now, why would we have to thank Jupiter for this? Well, because an asteroid large enough to create a visible flash from Jupiter is a pretty freaking big thing. The suspicion is that it got pulled in by Jupiter's gravity and impacted. What that means is that it diverted it from possibly hitting Earth. And that's a possibility. It's not like it actually is conclusive that it would have happened, because nobody had previous evidence of where the asteroid was headed. But this is hardly a thing that is a one-time thing. Jupiter is what's been described as the whipping boy of our solar system, because its massive gravity pulls objects in that otherwise would have impacted other planets in the solar system, and it stops them from getting hit. And without it, scientists pretty much say that Earth would have been battered so often that life would cease to exist. Well, sorry, life wouldn't cease to exist. Life just wouldn't have been able to be formed because of the impact, or life as we know it. It would have been formed, but just not necessarily the same, or, well, it may not have. But I think it's pretty cool. We've basically got a giant gravity shield out there in the form of another planet. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's awesome. So thank you, Jupiter, for saving us all. And I have, as usual, been the Serial Killer. Questions, comments, concerns, death threats, you know where to put them in the comments below. I will talk to you all tomorrow. And yes, the beeping continues in the background.